Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix smartwatch notifications not syncing. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up the App Store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the search bar and now type in the name of the smartwatch app that you are using. And once you find it, simply scroll down and tap on your app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen, and then once you're here, tap on settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and now once you're inside iPhone storage, here what you need to do is scroll down until you find your smartwatch app and then tap on it. Let me just assume this Yelp is my smartwatch app, and once you're here, you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and then try again and it will fix your issue. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.